really on the new Motorola on the Honeycomb is the speed of the browser. It's just it's amazing how fast it is. So I can show you, for example, some site like the CNN. It's really fast. I mean, besides that, we have here a little lower internet, but with the rendering of the pages, it's amazing. Just let me open the page. Internet is a little overloaded, so you see when the page is loaded, it's just it's really fast. I mean, the CNN is the page which has lots of things here, and it works practically the same like on the desktop PC, because Google using the very fast JavaScript engine they have on the Chrome and the PC, so they learn a lot. So they have a very similar and a fast browser here. Unfortunately, we don't have a Flash yet here because the Honeycomb is a new system and they will be available in a few weeks on the Apple Store in the form of upgrade, because Adobe is still working with Google on this. So other things, there was a question about the Tegra Zone. As you know, yesterday, or I guess day before yesterday, we released our Tegra Zone portal for the Android gamers. So I need to check the internet, should be okay, I think. Let me check how does it work. We have so slow internet here. So the Tegra Zone itself look like similar like you remember, for example, from Apple Store, but it's very oriented for the games. So basically the same you remember from the App Store when you, for example, downloading games for iPad or iPhone. Here it works better because you have like a self-portal which is installed from the Android market on your device. Then you have all information about the games which are available and optimized for the Tegra. We can check just, for example, Monster Madness, and for each game you have like pictures, then you have reviews. You can go get it now and direct it to be directed to the Android market. So it looks very similar, like you know already, but it's really focused for the Tegra developers, and it helps them to sell the application. So I think for us it's very important that they have a really platform that they can sell the applications, and we can help them to promote if the case that they doing the application, optimizing application for the Tegra. So there are now, I think, 6 or 7 games available, and many new games are coming in the following weeks or days, and there should be even something launched this day or next week. So it will be lots more. So I think that the Android, because of Tegra Zone, will become very soon like #1 mobile platform for the gaming. So that's the Tegra Zone, and then just to show you a couple of things here. Maybe we can start with the multimedia stuff. It's the similar like you remember from any other devices, but I, for example, like the way how the music is played here. So you see it's the similar like, for example, you remember from the Windows Media Center, or you can switch the similar covers like you know from for example iPad or iPhone. So it's works very fast. What I really like on this device, because the Tegra 2 and the dual-core processor, it's really fast. You have very fast multitasking when you can switch the applications between. You see, I just click on the browser, it switched. I clicked on the Tegra Zone, it switched. So you get basically here the list of the applications you're running. You can go for a market switch. So you see that the switching of applications, multitasking way faster, you know, from iOS devices. So other thing what I like really, it's the performance of Tegra 2 itself. I can show you, for example, you know what, I can move and still show a movie. I have like clip from Prince of Persia encode here. It's 720p. And as you see, the Motorola Xoom itself has 60:9 screen, which means that you have really widescreen for the watching the movies, which is better than the other tablets, because most of the tablets, what I saw so far, like iPad, they have just normal letterbox screens. This one is better for watching movies, and Tegra is really fast for playback, so this is 720p, it works great. You can connect this to TV, and when you, for example, press here, you can sync it, and you see how fast is the syncing here. So it's just, you don't need to wait anything. So the Tegra is really cool for playing movies. And then you can, for example, play many games. I have most of the games that are available now on the market here. So let me show you, for example, Galaxy on Fire 2. It's one of the games which is not available yet, but we're just showing a demo, and just to show you the difference in compared to other devices. So Tegra 2 is quite powerful for the graphic. As you see here, this is a version of the Tegra. Now I can switch the version, from other devices. I think it's a big difference. It just all the textures, shading, lighting effects are way better on the Tegra 2 than in other devices. Again, I like to switch to multitasking, because even if you play the games, this is true multitasking. The application is running in the background. So if I want to really switch, for example, even to game, you click this and it's running immediately. So you can really switch between the applications. Like, for example, now you want to jump to the website, and it's there. So you don't need to really wait. So it's really lightning fast multitasking. And again, thanks to Tegra and the dual-core CPU we have there. So that's basically all.